you never knew were related to other animals.
And did you know one animal is related to elephants?
Do you want to find what that is? Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So first of all, let's discuss what's this video about. This video is basically about animals which are related to other animals, which will surprise you, and that those animals are in the same family or genus of that exact animal. For example, Jay.
And did you know humans are related to monkeys?
Like that. So let's go check out the first animal, which is related to a surprising other animal. So guys, the first animal involves us humans. So you know what we are related to? Kangaroos! This is so crazy!
And
50%! We're related to kangaroos, like about 50%. I can't imagine me being half kangaroo. Can you imagine being half kangaroo? No, right? That's so crazy. Check this out.
And did you know?
So guys, you might have not heard of this animal, but it's called the okapi. It looks like a horse and a zebra mixed together, but it's actually related to giraffes. In fact, it's called the Congolese giraffe or the zebra giraffe, even though it's related to giraffes more than horses or zebras. So why don't you check these pictures out?
So there's not a lot of copies, so we should save the world.
Okapis are critically endangered and they're almost gonna go extinct. There aren't a lot of okapis in the world, so we should save them.
And there was a lot of tigers and lions that never run. They just eaten them and died.
Yep.
Only the kids were still alive.
So let's save the world, okay? Bye. Let's move to the fifth one. So guys, our third crazy animal relationship comes down to this.
And guys, did you know coral is related to jellyfishes?
Corals are related to jellyfishes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Seriously. Corals or coral reefs, when they turn old or like super old, their polyps grow and turn into jellyfishes. That's how jellyfishes are formed. So cool, right?
And you know, the coral makes the fishes to hide from sharks.
So let's move on to the fourth one. The chicken we eat is a T-Rex relative.
Do we eat like a dinosaur?
No, I mean T-Rexes are supposed to eat us, not us eating them. That's just weird. And anyway, that's the purpose of this video. So let's check out what's the next crazy animal relationship.
And please subscribe!
So guys, the last animal is the manatee. You might not know this, but he actually looks like a seal. You know, the ones that live in Arctic and Antarctic and totally, swim in the water and all, and they're used in circuses. But you know what they're actually more related to?
And they're related to elephants.
They're related to elephants. Elephants live in the land, but manatees live in the water. Such a huge difference. The truth is, manatees belong to the genus called Sirenia, and Sirenia is a group of animals which also has the elephant and the Hyraxes. If you want to know what a Hyrax is, check it out in Google, okay? So that seals up our last animal. So long until the next video. Hey guys, so please subscribe and
Comment down below.
what do you think we should do next, and
Comment down below.
like the video too, okay? Bye.